Okay, so I'm trying something different. There's a different background, but today I want to give you some tips on how I made over $1,000 using TikTok. So if you're new to my page, you probably are new because I don't have that many followers. But me and my mom have an online business. We do pop-ups every week, and we also use social media to build Now that's out the way, let's jump straight into this video. The video, I do want to acknowledge how amazing TikTok's algorithm is. Like, I only been on TikTok for about 2 years now, and I have 20,000 followers, versus on YouTube, I've been on YouTube for over 5 years, and I'm still stuck at 2,000 followers, and I post consistently on each platform. So I'm just amazed with TikTok algorithm. So that being said, I'm going to show you, actually, you know what, I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial on how I upload videos and all that. So let's just go straight into my TikTok, and we're gonna start from there. So let me start screen recording so you guys can see what I'm doing. Bear with me, I got a message and all that. Okay, so this is my TikTok page. So the first thing you're gonna make sure you need is in your description box. You wanna have everything that you want everyone to know about you. So mine's is simple. I just put that I'm an entrepreneur. I do, well, on TikTok I talk about lifestyle and do mini vlogs and all that good stuff. So I put that on there, and I put links to my business. I keep on saying mine, it's me and my mom's business. I put a link into our business, and I also put where you can find us at. I put my YouTube channel and all that. So you have to make sure you have like a call to action on your TikTok page before anything. And you can see how many followers I have. Okay, so that was tip number one. So basically tip number one is just to make sure everything that you want your customers, your potential customers, to know about you in your description box. My second tip is to create authentic content, and also plan it out, because just like with YouTube, once you post, you have to continuously post to get traction. And I know TikTok is very popular for what they're known for, their dancing and all that, but if you're not a good dancer, don't try to do it. I stick into what I know on my page. I stick to what I know, and basically it's this recycled content that I put on YouTube, Instagram. It's recycled content, but on TikTok it's a little twist, and we're gonna talk about that. My final tip is to post 3 to 4 videos a week. Now it sounds like a lot, but like I said earlier, I recycle content. So for instance, a video for my YouTube channel, right? So my YouTube channel, usually I post about 10 to 15 minute videos. So I will take clips from that video and then recycle it and put it into TikTok and also other social media platforms, but usually on TikTok. And to grow faster on TikTok, you need a popular sound and relevant hashtags. So I'm gonna post something right now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So a lot of people say you pick a sound with not a lot of views, right? I kind of do that. Let me show you what I do. So I save, let me screen record, sorry, bear with me. So I save sounds, and then I put them in all categories on my what's it called, let's see, on my favorites, that's what it's called. Well, saved, I don't know what you call this thing. But I'm showing you guys how to get there. So I'm gonna go to the sounds, and these are all the sounds that I have saved that I want to use for any future videos. And some of these videos that are saved are, some are only 500, that's a good number, 500 and below, and then some are like a million views and all that. So for one video, I'll probably try to use a sound that's under 1,000, and then I will post the same video using a popular song. That makes sense? It makes sense, right? So I'm about to post something right now. So this sound, I have this saved. So hold on, let me show you guys what I'm doing. So I like this sound, so we're gonna push use this sound. So the video that I'm about to post, I already edited on my laptop. So I'm just gonna turn down the volume. Turn the volume down. So this is the video I'm about to post. So I push next, and then I type in entrepreneur life or something like that, and then I start putting some hashtags in there. So a lot of people say steer away from FYP, which is the For You page. Everybody uses that hashtag. They say it doesn't really go anywhere, it doesn't help you or boost you anywhere. So that's an option. Sometimes I still use it or not, but whatever. I'm just gonna use the these are my most recent hashtags that I've been using, so I'm just gonna throw those in there, a few of those. And so then that's done. I'm just gonna push post. So that is it. Literally, that's all I do. Post that, and then if you upload on your computer, you can actually schedule it. So technically, every day you can have something uploaded. It's amazing. So keep that in the back of your mind as well. And the final thing, I know I already said I was gonna give you 3 tips, but this is the final one, and it's to go live. Once you hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can go live. Now, their live is amazing, but it also have a downfall to their live. Let me show you. Let me tell you what I mean. So on their live, like, it's not like how it is when you're on TikTok. Oh my god, I can't speak. So on TikTok's live, it's not how it is like on Facebook or Instagram, where only your followers can see your live. On TikTok, anyone can join into your live. So if they just scroll on their For You page, your live can pop up on there, and that's how you can grow. The longer you're on live, the more people will see you, the more people can donate it to. So that's a plus if you guys are down for that. I just love going live there. But they also have a downfall on their live. It's easy to get banned. I've been banned a few times. If you guys are new to my page, or if every time I'm on my vacation, I'm on live, or anywhere, even if I'm doing my pop-ups, I'm on live, and I've been banned so many times. It's so sensitive. Like, if you cuss too much, you get banned. If you show too much, you get banned. It's just ridiculous. And that's the only thing. There's a few other things that I don't like about TikTok, but if that's not gonna be an issue for you, you're perfect. I do suggest that you at least try to go on live at least once a week. And like I say, your channel, oh my god, I'm getting everything mixed up, bear with me, but you will grow quickly if you start going live. So like, as soon as you post something, especially if that video is going, you get a lot of views within the first couple of hours, definitely go on live that day, definitely, to boost it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little tips. I know it's not that many, but I'm just telling you, try it. If you're not on TikTok, join it. It's not what you think. Like, before I joined, I always thought that it was only for kids. You know, I'm a grown woman. I always thought it was for kids and dancing, but it's more than that, and it's been benefiting me in an amazing way. I've been growing, our business been growing, been getting sales consistently. It's slow but consistent, and I love it. So yeah, that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And this is a shirt we made. Well, I made it, the shirt. You guys go watch the vlogs. I vlog everything you guys know. Yeah, I'm still waiting for customers. A few sales. I recorded it. I showed you guys other vendors, and now I'm going to walk around, pass out these flyers for our pop-up event. You guys already know what's up. So yeah, I'm about to go see how everybody else is doing. It seems like it's a nice crowd. Yeah, it seems like a nice crowd. I just hope they move down there so we can start making some money down here. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera so you guys can see. I don't know why it looks dark on my phone. Resting my feet right now.